Hello, welcome to Crypto News. Today is December 29th, 2025, and the top crypto news is as follows. First of all, have a good week, everyone. Now, moving on to our news, we're going to go to the spot Bitcoin ETF, which last week had nothing but outflows. As a result, last week closed with negative $782 million in outflows. From our ETFs, we're going to go to Coinbase, which tells us about the three main areas that will dominate the crypto market in 2026. They've provided us with a report via Coinbase Institutional, which tells us in very simple terms that perpetual futures and perpetual protocols are what we see taking a bigger and bigger share. So Coinbase thinks that's a pretty good narrative. Moving on, we're going to go to the prediction markets, where everyone wants to have their own prediction market, as you already know from the crypto news. This is another big story, along with stablecoins and payments, that will play a huge role in 2026. The one thing I haven't seen in this report is tokenization, which we know everyone is moving into. From Coinbase, we'll move on to our coins and go to Uniswap, which, as you know from the crypto news, it ended up burning 100 million uni coins worth $596 million at current prices from the protocol treasury, as we already knew would happen. While Hyperliquid has already unlocked 1.2 million hype coins, they will distribute them all to their developers and the Hyperliquid team on January 6, 2026. So be careful on those days. It doesn't mean everyone will hold on to them. Now, taking the cryptocurrency market, we will go to Bitcoin, which is currently at $89,000, and 10 minutes ago it was at $90,000. Let me tell you why we had this green candle. As you know from the cryptocurrency news, we told you that traditional markets are closed, so we will not have volatility. However, unfortunately, we have a war, the well-known Russia-Ukraine war, where Bitcoin has risen as hopes for a peace agreement between Russia and Ukraine are diminishing. On Sunday, Russia attacked the Kherson combined heat and power plant of Naftogaz, causing significant damage to the infrastructure, which is known to be a critical source of heating for tens of thousands of residents. Meanwhile, Ukraine attacked the Syzran oil refinery in Russia's Samara region, causing damage to the only primary oil processing unit at the refinery. So it's a bit difficult to make peace with such moves, and that's why Bitcoin's price has gone up. Moving on to the latest news of the day, let's look at gold and silver. You've probably seen various memes on Twitter that Bitcoin is dead and not moving at all. And we have gold and silver having their own rally. And now we're going to reveal the truth of the story. And as you read this article, let me tell you that Bitcoin has outperformed gold and silver by several orders of magnitude since 2015, posting gains of 27,701% compared to a 405% gain for silver and 283% for gold. And we can see all of this on a chart. That orange going up is Bitcoin. The other two are gold and silver, for the oldies to remember and the newies to learn. And the longer you sit in a market, the more profits it will bring you, especially Bitcoin. Not investment advice, investment opinion. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, December 29th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.